Horses are on the way to the gate. Your towers, horses are on their way. Can everybody do a white balance, please?
What is VAR here at Woodbine?
One more horse. Last horse. Last one.
The VAR system is a high-definition live replay system that the judges use to make the correct call when there are infractions during a race.
On their way, and if it's done. Grinding to the front, and grinding to the flat. That's going to be enough.
Gonna send you an inquiry here. Hold on one sec.
That inquiry concluded. The result.
If something needs to be looked at by a judge, the betting public being able to see what they're looking at is critical.
What shots are going out?
What had to happen was getting a system that was easy to use.
Yeah. Do you want to look at another view, or you got another view?
This is for adjudicating horse racing. It is for reviewing and enforcing the rules of the game, and that takes it a bit of a step further as far as importance for operation. And that's what the VAR system is providing our judges.
No change, you can take that inquiry down.
Hello, my name is Dominic Ventresca, DreamCatcher VAR Product Specialist for Evertz Microsystems. We're here today in Toronto, Canada at Woodbine Racetrack to learn a little bit more about the DreamCatcher VAR platform and the many benefits it brings to organized horse racing competitions.
The role of the VAR here at Woodbine is to simultaneously record, simultaneously play back all camera angles from around the racetrack. When the VAR system was originally demonstrated to us, it was shown to us in a configuration for soccer. And there was always a thought process that the system could easily be adapted to horse racing. And that's exactly what Evertz has done. They've adapted this VAR system from a soccer-based system to horse racing.
The learning curve to use the VAR. The judges are excellent. They come in and they get the hang of it right away. The buttons are nicely laid out and color-coded. Everything is easily accessible for them.
Let's send these two shots.
We were attracted to the VAR system for a number of reasons. Very simple, very quick to react.
You want to look at another view, or
You got another view?
Through our experience with DreamCatcher, we realized that the VAR system could probably and did live up to the same expectations.
Here at Woodbine, the stewards actually operate the VAR system. And there's a couple different ways to do that. They can actually use the touch screen that's in front of them, which has a customized horse racing interface, which Evertz helped us implement. Or Evertz also assisted us in adding a shuttle remote where they can jog forward, jog back, add points of interest, play at variable speeds.
Our judges quite enjoy the feature of having the ability to select a single shot and make it full screen. That has been invaluable to them.
blow that up just a notch so we can get it right?
When we first implemented the system, we were looking for a way to sub-clip our races. The team at Evertz was quick to show us the sessions feature, which gives us that ability where we can go in and create sessions for each individual race throughout the day. This helps the judges navigate the footage and not being stuck in this long record train, rather these small little segments of each individual race, which they can go through and check each angle.
4 blocks, and you can play all 4. I'll use all angles here.
The VAR system also gives us the opportunity to customize tags. For instance, stretch drive, gate break, terms that are pertinent to the stewards as they're doing their job.
One of the key features of the VAR that I have seen the judges use is having the ability to go back, select a previous date, and review an incident. And they can review it live, scrub through it, and see exactly what happened at that incident.
One of the important features we were looking for with the VAR system, and our friends at Evertz were able to come up with, was a way to send all camera angles to a centralized storage server. This storage server retains these angles for up to 365 days for us. This server also is accessible by a judge's computer down in another area in the building. So as soon as those races are exported to the central server, they're available for playback on that computer in another room in another spot in our building.
Having the ability to see all the camera angles around the track set in and out markers and notice small things that happen throughout the day have been tremendous to them.
We've had a long history with Evertz and their products, and one of the reasons for that is because of the versatility of their products. We start needing it for one thing, but the options that it provides and the expandability it provides allows us to use it for additional purposes and allows us to expand our usability of those products.
We do have a background with Evertz already, having 2 DreamCatcher systems already existing on premises at both Woodbine and Mohawk Park. So the implementation of the VAR system just made sense for us.
All the feedback that I have heard from the judges has been all positive. They love the system, they love the feature set, they love the ease of use.
And the big thing I think for the stewards is the fact that they're operating the system themselves, which is not a workflow we had previous to VAR. We believe VAR is an integral part of our production here at Woodbine.
You got to be seeing what the guys are seeing if you're going to be, officiating on that car racing.
There's a lot of money on the line when it comes to horse racing. So the judges having a system that they can easily use and then they can easily operate and that will react quickly to get them the answer that they need is absolutely critical.
Thanks again for joining us today at Woodbine Racetrack to get an in-depth look at the DreamCatcher VAR system in use during live horse racing action. If you'd like to find out more about any of the DreamCatcher family of products, please head to our website at evertz.com to find out more.